Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our brand new Chrysler Pacifica Touring. This is the S trim package. It's got the electric doors, as you can see. They can be operated from the key, they can be operated from buttons inside the van, and they can be operated from the top console way up front. It's got the rear entry manual conversion. Very easy to do. I can operate this entire conversion using just 2 fingers. I really like these conversions. They've got the clamps that keep the ramps from rattling. You'll see some of the designs have a twist here or a slide in the middle. I tell you what, those are going to rattle. They're going to drive you crazy. This is the best design there is. I can promise you that. Ramp here is 34 inches wide. You can see I can take it down using only my index finger. It's just over 34 inches wide. It does go to about 33¼ inches here at the base of the trim. It's got a very deep canal. This is much deeper than Toyota Sienna or Dodge Caravan. So if you plan on carrying up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or gurney or a stretcher, this is definitely a van you should consider. Got plenty of cup holders in the rear. Got a plug back there in case you have any charging you need to do on any devices. Between those front 2 seats is about 21 inches of room. If you need wider, if you need more room between those, we can put narrow jump seats in there. We can put seats that flip up on their side. Tell us what you need and we'll configure the van to meet your needs. Not all wheelchairs are created equal in size. We understand that. So let us help you customize this van how you need it. Steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The digital radio and backup camera. Dual climate control. It's got plenty of plug-ins for all your electronics. A little bit of storage space down here. Cup holders in the doors. Cup holders in that nice center console. I love this stitching in here. Just overall super clean. Very nice van, and we do give a free set of ratcheting tie downs away, brand new with each vehicle. So when you've got everybody secure, come back out. Look here, 1 finger. It's that simple. If you can pick a ½ gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. When it's time to shut it down, you can hit the button there. Now, let's say you want to use this van for a taxi cab, and you don't want to be operating those doors electronically all the time. If you want to do that option, and you can shut them all here, but you can also turn that off. You can turn off the electric doors, and this becomes a manual sliding door. Simple as that. Still has a brand new window sticker in it. You can see the chassis alone was $36,335. Then you add this conversion to it, and that's why people are selling these vans for $50,000 to $55,000, sometimes even more. You know, if you want to save $10,000, $15,000, give us a call. Very clean interior. Obviously, it's brand new. Power driver seat, another great feature this van has. Let me do a walk around so you can take a look at it. It's got the alloy wheels, just a real nice look to it. This doesn't look like the average minivan. Let me shut this door over here. You can see from all the pictures. And if you want to ride in style, you want to ride with a little bit of deeper canal there. Another great feature that it has is the auto start. That's nice not only this time of year when it's cold, but it's also a great feature to have in the summertime. If you want your vehicle nice and cooled off, by the time you get in it, you've got that option. You know, if leather is what you need, we can put leather seat covers in these that are extremely nice. It'll look just like leather. Talk to me about that. Don't let these cloth seats fool you. Don't let this be the reason you don't save a lot of money. It's got the owner's manual down in there, 2 sets of keys. Like I mentioned before, dual climate control, rear air. I gotta turn it on here. I've got the key you can have in your pocket. You can see it fires up. This particular one has 12 miles on them. They're all going to be extremely low miles. The backup camera there. Let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath, it's got the 3.6 V6 engine, plenty of power. If you need a little zip, the warranty is a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty on the van from Chrysler Dodge. The powertrain comes with a 5-year, 60,000 mile warranty from Chrysler Dodge. And then the ramp, the conversion itself, comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty. Now I know there's a lot of different conversion companies out there, and they're all going to tell you they have the best product. I want you to ask them something. Ask the competition something. Ask them what their warranty is on their conversion. Ours is 3 years, unlimited miles. Unlimited. You can put 1 million miles on this thing. Unlimited miles for 3 years. Theirs are all going to be 3 years, 36,000 miles. So if their warranty is so much better than ours, because that's what they're going to tell you, why is ours unlimited and why does theirs stop at 36,000 miles? You tell me who has the better warranty. We do have financing available for this van. We can take an application over the phone. We can send one to your email. We can send one to your cell phone, whatever's easiest for you. And check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. We've got the same model in different colors, so if this is not the color for you, let us know. We'll be happy to help you out find what you're looking for. So mobility316.com. Give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. I am the owner. You now have my cell phone number. I want you to ask the competition. I want you to tell the real big company you're talking to. I want you to tell them you want the owner's cell phone number. If there's ever any issues, you want to be able to call the owner 24 hours a day and see if they care about customer service enough to give you the owner's cell phone number, because you've now got mine. And you're dealing with the owner, not a used car salesman with me. So, or in this case, new car sales. So, as always, thanks for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.